Understanding misspoke. Hello dear learners. Today, we are going to explore an interesting phrase in the English language, misspoke. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and its significance in everyday conversation. Let's dive right in. The term misspoke is the past tense of the verb misspeak. To misspeak means to express oneself incorrectly or inappropriately. In other words, when someone says something that is not accurate, unintentionally, they can say they misspoke. For example, if a person says, "I was born in 2020, but they were actually born in 2010, they can correct themselves by saying, "I misspoke. I was born in 2010. 1. Corrections in facts, when someone realizes they've given wrong information or facts. 2. The event is on Saturday. Oops, I misspoke, it's on Friday. 3. Politicians and public figures. Often, when politicians or public figures make a statement and later want to correct or modify it without directly admitting a mistake, they might use the term. 4. In my previous speech, I mentioned that the budget was $1 million. I misspoke, it's actually $1.5 million. 5. Casual conversations, it's not just reserved for formal situations. People use misspoke in daily conversations too. 6. I said the meeting's at 3 p.m.? Sorry, I misspoke. It's at 4 p.m. To help you further understand, here are some sample sentences. 1. I mentioned earlier that Jane was moving to France, but I misspoke. She's moving to Spain. 2. During the interview, I misspoke about the company's profits. 3. If I ever misspoke or gave you the wrong impression, I apologize. Misspoke is a useful term to have in your English vocabulary, especially when you need to correct something you've said without sounding too harsh or admitting a direct mistake. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the term. Always remember, it's okay to misspeak sometimes, as long as we correct ourselves and continue learning. Happy learning!